Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. Demand is on the rise, and it's really given support to the market. The future continues to rebound off the lows from a couple days ago, and we had a 15-cent rally today. The China production price index is at record highs, and that could be a good sign for down the road. The CVAL right now is at 17.4%, so that's the lowest it's been in a while. So it certainly looks like the market seems to be comfortable with a little bit of a rally that we're seeing over the last couple of days. The soybean oil is down a little bit with their CVAL at 30.2%, and the meal is 20.7%. The option open interest now is mostly to the upside, up towards $13. Let's see if that can pull the market along. But to end the week, it was a positive note. Corn was up as well. That robust export sales is really helping the market. The future did rally a dime today, and ethanol production is at the highest it's been since July. Also, the wet weather is kind of delaying the harvest, and that could also be supportive of the futures right now. The big China economic indicator is copper, and that's the highest it's been since the 2014. So all these positives are really starting to lift some of the grain markets here. I think that now the highest open interest was that $5 mark. We did get down to 506 3/4. It didn't quite, get to the $5 mark, but I think we bounced off that pretty comfortably right now. The December open interest is really at 60,000 contracts for $5. So perhaps that might be weighing on futures really getting a big rally, but there is some massive open interest also on the upside, all the way up to $6 on the corn. So that's something to be watching. The CVAL was down today a percent to 23.3%. So it seems the market seems pretty comfortable at these prices. Now, wheat was rising as well. Those freezing warnings in the upper Midwest, I think, are really helping that market. The U.S. dollar is drifting a little bit lower too, so that also, adds to the buoyancies of these markets. Now, the inflation concerns that we've been, talking about over the last number of weeks could be impactful to the wheat mostly, and that certainly would be to the upside. All three wheat markets are leaning to the upside as well, with Minneapolis is the strongest. The CVAL for wheat now is at 23.8%. So it's holding its own and relatively strong. The outside markets were also higher today. So that just adds to, the loftiness of the market. So we had green across the board today in all the grains.